Welcome to this coding tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to build a Sudoku solver. We will use a fundamental computer science technique called constraint-based backtracking. This is a classic problem often asked in technical interviews. First, let us refresh the rules of Sudoku. You are given a 9 by 9 grid. The goal is to fill the empty cells with digits from 1 to 9. There is one catch. Every number must be unique in its row, unique in its column, and unique in its 3 by 3 subgrid. What is backtracking? Imagine you are solving a maze. You choose a path and walk until you hit a dead end. What do? You do not give up. You retrace your steps back to the last intersection and try a different path. This process of exploring, hitting a dead end, and returning is called backtracking. To solve Sudoku programmatically, we must strictly respect 3 constraints. A number is valid only if it does not already exist in the current row, the current column, and the current 3 by 3 box. If any of these rules are violated, we cannot place that number. Here is the recursive strategy. 1. Find an empty cell. 2. Try placing numbers 1 through 9. 3. Check if the number is valid. If it is, place it and recursively call the function to solve the rest of the grid. If the recursion fails, reset the cell to 0 and try the next number. Let us visualize this. The computer finds the first empty spot. It tentatively places the number 1. It checks the constraints. Since 1 is safe in this position, it moves on to the next empty cell immediately. Eventually, we might reach a state where we are stuck. In this example, for the highlighted cell, we try every number from 1 to 9. However, every single number conflicts with either the row, the column, or the box. There is no valid move here. This is where the magic happens. Since the current path led to a failure, we backtrack. We return to the previous cell, discard the number we placed there, and try the next possible option. If that also fails, we go back even further. Let us talk about performance. In the worst case, the time complexity is big O of 9 to the power of m, where m is the number of empty cells. While this is exponential and technically an NP-complete problem, for a standard 9 by 9 board, backtracking is incredibly efficient and solves puzzles in milliseconds. To summarize, Sudoku is a constraint satisfaction problem. By using backtracking, we can systematically explore all possible valid board configurations. This guarantees that if a solution exists, we will find it. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.